I want to start with a quote from Martin Luther King. He once said that you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. And I've found that this holds good for any goals that you set for yourself in life. If you look at the top of the staircase, you will quit. I know this is a very bold statement, but I found this to be very, very true. Hi everyone, this is Vandana here. In my life, I have found this quote of Martin Luther King very apt. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Now, I'm not saying that you should not visualize where you want to be at the end of your goal. As a matter of fact, it is really important to visualize your end goal, what you really want to do in life. You have to visualize that goal, but do not keep on visualizing the path ahead. It is overwhelming. It is daunting. You will just crumble and quit if you start looking at the whole path of your goal. So, what I want you to think about is just taking that very first step in whatever your goal is. It will keep you from getting overwhelmed. So, if you're like the type of person who would like to make $1 million, and which you probably are, after all, who wouldn't like to make $1 million? But the only way to get there is to visualize the $1 million, but not the path that you're going to take to get to the $1 million. Unless you're going to take a shortcut like taking a lottery ticket, which we all know doesn't really work. So there are certain steps you will need to take to get to that $1 million. Similarly, if you want to have a great relationship with a special person, then there are certain steps you need to take to get there. You will have to learn to walk before you can run. So suppose you want to make $1 million, and suppose that you are working online. Say, so then you need to think of taking that first step. The first step of making the very first dollar. Once you make the first dollar, then you can think of making $10, $100, $500, $1,000, and then you're on your path to making the $1 million. So once you found out how to make that first $1, you just need to keep replicating the effort or doing what you are doing, and you will reach your goal. So, but that making that $1 is really very important because it's the first step towards your ultimate goal. I don't know how many of you out there have even made $1 online. You may have been trying online for quite a while and you haven't made your first dollar yet. I know, and I was in the same boat. Thinking I was working and all the time thinking I want $1 million and how to get there. Thinking this that I've got to do, this is where I want to be, and never thinking about that very first step which I need to take. I was jumping to the path of a million. It was overwhelming, and I ended up spinning my wheels so long. So it is very necessary, very essential to take that very first step without looking at the full path, though you may have the end goal in mind. So there are many steps in reaching your goal, and you don't need to see everything all at once. And actually, you can't really see everything at once. You can't see what is exactly what you need to do to get to that point. But understanding the first step and taking the first step is very important. Even if you stumble and fall in the middle, you will learn, get up, rise, and get going again. So just focus on that first little one step. Now, let me tell you a story about myself. I have been working in the corporate world for over 2.5 decades, but I really wanted to start something of my own online so that I could work from anywhere, travel the world, be anywhere I like, and ultimately set up my own online business. So I have been exploring various work from anywhere options for the past 1 year, and this year I have decided to focus entirely on my online business. Do whatever it takes to start earning a six-figure salary by next year. So I started with the global business, which you could do from anywhere, and which seemed very easy, and it just seemed that it was very low investment, and I thought that I could do the numbers required and reach the goal very fast. But it really was not like that. I was trying to run before I could walk. I had the end goal in mind and I had the mathematical calculations of what it required to reach there. But I did not really have the skills. I had to learn before I could earn. I also focused on too many things at the same time. Rather than focusing on just one thing, one step, and focusing on one, putting all the efforts in one direction, I spread out my things because I was exploring, looking, and I kept buying shiny objects. I also wasted some money in doing that. But ultimately, I realized that I have to just look at one small step, and keep in mind that that is my ultimate goal, and focus on that. And first learn before I can earn. While I have worked for so many years, the skills required for online earning was something totally new to me. So the first step, therefore, is definitely to learn and to focus on just one thing, just one simple step at a time, and then go slowly, slowly towards my goal. So I thus took my first step. I learned how to earn my first dollar, my first $100, and I continue to move on top of the staircase. And I know there are many variables in between. I'll have to learn many new things, like making videos was something I'd never done before, and I'm doing it now because I realize it's really important. And so you have to keep learning on the way as you climb towards your goal. I also realized that had I looked at the whole staircase before I started, I would have never taken that first small step. I have still not reached the top of the staircase, and I continue to learn while I earn. Thus, my journey has started from the first step to the next step, and I'm going forward. So, I'm going to end it again with the quote from Martin Luther King: you don't have to see the whole staircase, take the first step. Take the first step today, don't delay, and take the first step in life in whatever you want to do. Vandana Nanda signing off. Have a great day.